Start. Sir, I have listened to the speeches delivered in support of the resolution, and I am sorry I cannot see my way to support it for several reasons. Stop here. First of all, it is not in keeping with our policy and professions. Stop. Secondly, it cannot have and should not have any place in a state which stands for planned economy. And thirdly, it is not in consonance with the object of socialism which we have placed before ourselves. Stop. I know that arguments have been advanced in favor of the resolution because of the prize bonds recently introduced by the government. Stop. I will have to say a few words about them, but before I deal with the prize bonds themselves, I would like to point out the harm that is likely to be caused to the people at large by the introduction of the system of national lotteries. Stop. I think this itself causes a great deal of harm to the man himself. Stop. We have seen told that man is the maker of his own fortune. Stop. Even those people who believe in the theory of karma know that they have got to work hard. Stop. We may leave the results in the hands of God, but we have got to work and we have to strive hard. Stop. This system of national lotteries will spread not only in the district towns but to every tehsil and every village. Stop. This is already going on, and therefore we have to find some way for canalizing these activities. Stop. I think the greatest harm that the system will be doing is to create a feeling amongst the people that they should not depend upon themselves for changing their fortunes. Stop. The previous speaker mentioned the fact that Gandhiji used to tell us that we have to attach special importance to the means, that it is the means that have to be taken care of, and that the ends will be taken care of automatically. Stop. That is why he said that he would not have Swaraj at the cost of truth and non-violence. Stop. So I feel that this would create a feeling in the minds of the people that instead of self-reliance, which we want everybody to practice, instead of mutual cooperation and mutual help to propagate, which we want to start cooperative societies, we shall switch their minds in a totally different direction. Stop. Secondly, as has been pointed out in recent years, there has been a great fall in our morals, especially because of the get rich quick mentality. Stop. Many of our present ills may be ascribed to that, and once we introduce this system, I think we will be adding fresh incentive to that spirit. Stop. Instead of working for themselves, instead of devising ways and means to establish themselves, they will be thinking and depending on their luck. That is, they will be thinking that they will get a lottery prize sooner or later, after which they will make a start in life by starting a business. Stop. Mr. Deputy Chairman, we have been holding our head aloft before the bar of world opinion as a country which has set an example of spiritual values and of moral values, and here at the altar of Mammon, if we are to believe the mover of the resolution, we have got to prostitute our sense of values. Stop. I believe it is not by this way that we should encourage things which we want to develop for the good of our country. Stop. No doubt we have got to appreciate the motives that have prompted the mover of this resolution, that he wants every avenue to be exploited in order that we can augment the plan, in order that we can also accelerate the implementation of the health and other social service schemes envisaged in the plan. Stop. But as a country which has produced Mahatma Gandhi, who has held aloft that it is the means that count and not the end, I believe this is not the way in which we are going to honor his memory. Stop. On the contrary, if there is one whose soul should now feel very happy that he has got devotees even in this country of great spiritual values, it is Machiavelli, because it was he who said, it is not the means that count, and no matter what the means are, so long as we have the end in view, let us try to pursue it by means fair or foul. Stopera. I believe here is a measure by which, if only the government should adopt it, we may go down before the bar of world opinion that we as a country, as a nation, as a party have no right to vindicate the principles for which Mahatma Gandhi had stood and fought the battle of our freedom. Stop. He said that it was the means that counted, and he set a premium upon truth. Stop. Believe me, I have myself witnessed as to what takes place at Derby. I was, of course, many a time in that country where they do not have this high sense of values. They take it as a national holiday and go about it as a pastime. In fact, every man, woman, and child would like to devote a little money in order that they could take part in this pastime, but that is not what is actually suggested here. That can well be rather in keeping with the genius of that soil, but here we have been born unto traditions, unto a heritage which always set spiritual values high, and definitely, therefore, to say that we have got to take our inspiration from ever so many countries overseas is not the way of approach to this problem. Stop. On the contrary, we have to give a lead and an example and serve as an inspiration for ever so many countries overseas, that in spite of our difficulties, that in spite of the odds that are against us, we are following a spiritual path. Stop.